ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan ra shapi ta ka Orange Nissan Loom so pho near Fire Brigade Shillong
Ka Sorkar jilla ka bala shong ye ka jinyalang jong ka kinhon menteri ha ka khatlai trik ubanai nailor arajar arphuai kalawan ra ye ka jing Pynbeit Thymmai ha ka Meghalaya Human Rights Commission rules arajar khat sao kani ka jing Pynbeit Thymmai ka long tang ha ki katto kat ni ki kentin ki badan kam ban tersat Thymmai bat katto kat ni ki bahap ban penkela Haka jingia keren bat kilat pathai khubor menteri ramba ka jellau Konrad kongkal sangma ulia thoru baka kinhon menteri haka ni ka jinyalang ka bala menjurru pan ra'yatai shaka dorbar senrai jong ka ying dorbar thawan ka jilla ya ka Meghalaya Amendment Bill ahrajar arphuai Hagani ka jingyalang ka kinhon menteri kalaya tairu halor ka jing Pynbeit Thymmai ka memorandum of understanding balaya soy ka khat sautrik ubanai risau arajar khatlai hapadeng ka Department of Telecommunication jong ka Sorkar India katanat information technology ka Sorkar Meghalaya bat ka Bharat Broadband Network Limited na kabenta ka jing pentrai kam ni ka Bharat Net Project hagani ka jilla Meghalaya nalor kini kirai shisho ka kinhon Menteri kala jeru ye ki katto ka ne ki kerteng bala terwa ne ka benta ka post president jong ka Meghalaya State Consumers Dispute Redressal bat kumjo ro ye ki kerteng jong ki breu ki ban long ki khot jong ka District Consumers Dispute Redressal Commission.
The first item that was taken up was the amendment to the Meghalaya Human Rights Commission rules 2014. There's a very minor amendments that were made. Some words that had to be inserted and some words that had to be changed. So those words were inserted and some words were changed. So that was a very minor amendment to the Meghalaya Human Rights Commission Rule 2014. Second was the Contingency Fund of Meghalaya Amendment Bill. If you remember, we had passed an ordinance about a month and a half back. So as is required by the law, that ordinance has to be now placed in the assembly and in the form of a bill, and it has to be passed. So that particular contingency fund for Meghalaya Amendment Bill 2021 was cleared by the cabinet to be then placed in the assembly. The third item was the amendment to the tripartite MOU that was signed on the 14th of October 2013 between the Department of Telecommunication, Government of India, the IT Department, Government of Meghalaya, and the Bharat Broadband Network Limited for the implementation of the Bharat Net project in Meghalaya. So in that agreement there were some changes that the DOT had asked the government of Meghalaya to do, and after detailed discussion with the state government, IT department and the government of India, as well as Bharat Broadband Network, in order to ensure speedy implementation of the Bharat Net project, which, as all of you know, is the project to lay optical fiber lines throughout the state and make them reach all the corners of the state. So in order to enhance the implementation of this project, certain amendments were made, and those were cleared today in the cabinet. We have also selected and proposed some names today for the post of the President of the Meghalaya State Consumer Dispute Redressal Commission, and also members of the District Consumer Dispute Redressal Commission. As you are aware that the Supreme Court ruling required that by a certain date, the government, all the state governments need to appoint the presidents of the State Consumer Dispute Redressal Commissions as well as of the District Consumer Dispute Redressal Commissions. And according to those requirements by the Supreme Court, the State Cabinet had today approved some of the names to be proposed. And of course, we will be talking to the concerned people, and once we get confirmation from them, the necessary appointments will be made. In some of the district committees, we have decided in the cabinet to give the discretion to the concerned department and the concerned minister to take the call on the members to be appointed at the district level. Third was a very short agenda, which was the extension of the services of Major Dr. K.I. Singh in the Zilla Sainik Welfare as the Zilla Sainik Welfare Officer, as the his term had expired on the 14th. So therefore, there was a proposal to extend the term for another 3 years.